Hi everyone, this is Lindsay Marquez, and today I'm doing Integrating a Source, a documentation mission. In this video, I will introduce 3 ways to integrate a quote, an example from my research essay. I will explain how this is an example, and then I'll sum it up at the end. Let's get started. There are 3 ways to integrate a source, one of them being through a quote, and this is when you use the exact words from your source and it needs to be presented inside quotation marks. Remember that a quotation without any explanation is called a dropped quote and it sits in a paragraph on its own. This is very important when we talk about signal phrases. You could find signal phrases in another video. The next one is to paraphrase. This is when you take a section like a paragraph or 2 from your source, but you rephrase it in your own words. And the last one is to summarize. And this is when you take a large source, such as a book, and you narrow it down to essential points. Here's an example from my research paper. As you can see, this is a quotation. Here you have the introduction to the quote, and then the quote in quotation marks. At the end, there's a parenthetical citation and an explanation to the quote. Now, you may be asking yourself, how is this an example of integrating a source? This is because it contains a quotation. Keep in mind that there are also many other ways to integrate a source that I will not be going over in this video. To sum all of this up, there are many ways to integrate a source. 3 of those being in a quotation, in a paraphrase, or in a summary.